It's important to remember, change and impact are not the same. Change is only the beginning. Impact is what endures. Let me share an example from Nigeria, where Rotary's program of scale, Together for Elderly Families, has been at work for years. In the early days of the program, I visited a health facility in one of the pilot cities. I wanted to see for myself what was happening. The chief medical officer didn't know who I was, only that I was a member of Rotary. He welcomed me warmly. He told me that they had started working with Rotary about 18 months earlier. Soon, infant and maternal deaths plummeted. Before Rotary's intervention, many women avoided prenatal care, which is essential to ensuring safe birth for both mother and child. After working with Rotary, systems were put in place to help expecting mothers receive prenatal care. The community was involved. Attendance went up. Mortality went down. And after I spoke with that doctor, I could see clearly how that project would transform lives across Nigeria for decades. That is what I mean when I say lasting impact. As members of Rotary, we share a vision of a better future, a world free of polio, a world at peace, a world where everyone has access to education. To make this vision a reality, we must acknowledge and unleash the change within ourselves. We must focus not only on outcomes, but on impact. An outcome of Tia's Rotary Club inviting her to dinner was that she no longer felt alone. But the impact is the hope and sense of community that she and her fellow club members will carry with them for the rest of their lives. In Nigeria, an outcome of the Together for Elderly Families project is lower infant and maternal mortality rates. But the impact is the children who will grow up with the love and guidance of their mothers, not only today, but for generations. And my dear friends, we will reach our 2030 membership goals. And when we do, an outcome will be more Rotary members around the world. And we all know that wherever Rotary goes, good things follow. And that impact will be a stronger, more effective Rotary and a better world for years to come. My friends, that future begins with us, but it must endure long after our work with Rotary ends. And my dear friends, family of Rotary, that is why the presidential message for 2026-2027 is create lasting impact.